Wait, folks, how's it all going? And oh man, what do you got? We got Funyuns and we got chicken breast tenderloins. Funyuns and chicken breast tenderloin. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Or if we took some Funyuns and made them into a breading to put on those chicken breast tenderloins and then cooked them in the air fryer. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. Let's give it a shot. First time doing it, folks. I bet you're curious too. Yep, there they are, folks. So I'll tell you what, that's a salt and onion extravaganza for your mouth. If they made these in like huge bags, well, I wish they never would, but they make them in some bigger size bags. I always buy the smaller bags because it's impossible just to eat just a couple. So we've got them in another bag, and I have no idea how many it's going to take to get enough breading, but simple process of just banging the heck out of them. You get the idea. All right, so that was easily half the bag, and there's a lot of air in that, and this is what it made up. So I'm thinking this would be enough for these chicken breast tenderloins. So I'm going to wash these with water. I'm not putting anything else, just water. I'm going to bread them with water, and then we're going to cook them because there might be a little oil in this breading after all. Seems like there might be. If I need something to brown it up as I'm cooking it on the air fryer, I'll spray just a little bit of olive oil on top of it, but we're going to try without it first. Here's a quick fact. Oh, I thought it was Funyuns, as in yum. They're yums, Funyuns. I think it'd be better being Funyums. All right, all breaded up. Smelling here, I'll tell you what, you don't need any other seasoning on there. That onion and salt, it's going to be awesome. I'll plug it in. Jeepers creepers. So we'll get things fired up here. Let's take a look here. So it defaults to 350. This is a Kasori 5.8 quart air fryer. So what we're going to do is we want to go, 15 is fine for me. We're going to go to the temp, and we're just going to go as high as we can go, which is 400. And then we're just going to press play. That's all you got to do. Give you a look-see in about 7 minutes. Gosh darn it, folks, I'm sorry. Time got away from me, so I said we'd show you in about 7 minutes. It's actually 9 minutes, so let's take a look-see. They are sizzling up, starting to brown up a little bit. So we'll keep on going here. I don't think I need to spray anything on there. I think they're going to brown up pretty nice by themselves. So keep on going. Give you a look-see. All right, let's take a look-see. A couple more minutes. The Funyuns there on the chicken. Oh, man. Look at that. That is ready. So I'll give you a look-see once they are plated up. You stay tuned for that. Oh, man. On an air fryer. We took some of these and ground it up and made it into a breading. And look at this. Oh, man. That is just, that's perfect. Want me to take a bite? Nice and moist. Tell you what. Turned out great. Funyuns as a breading on chicken. Look at that. Perfect. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.